Hello friends, I'll teach same final DT MCQ part. Question number 1. TDS on income on investment security fund is covered under section 194 LBC. Question number 1 का आंसर D on business trust का 194 LBA and investment fund का 194 LBB to other section. Question number 2 stay person is covered under section 225 option नहीं दिया है option D. Question number 3 which is the duty of a taxpayer? Taxpayer tax management option D. Question number 3 का D. Question number 4 section dash deals with rectification mistake which are apparent from the record in any order by assessing officer 154. Assess can apply rectification for within 4 years from the order is passed. Order containing mistake was passed. The order was passed. 4 years. The assess can question number 4 answer B. Question number 5 answer ICD 2 stands for valuation of inventory. Question number 5 answer D. Question number 6 health insurance premium paid for RAM being non-resident deductible up to 25,000. Non-resident के लिए 25,000 applicable. रेसिडेंट के लिए सीनियर सिटीजन होता तो 50,000 हो जाता. इट इज सीनियर सिटीजन इट applicable नहीं होगा. इट 25,000 allowable होगा. 6 आंसर A. Question number 7 is Mr. X knows an individual received dividend to 12 lakh on the fair trading in August 2016. She has no other income in India. His tax liability for the dividend income would be 20%. 20% always health and education 4%. Non-resident के लिए health and education 4% तो TDS के लिए applicable always. हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा 12 लाख 20% 4% 249 600. Question number 7 का आंसर 249 600. Question number 8 decide to buy back for the shareholder. It bought 30,000 share of 10 inch and paying 40 per share. Economic profit of the company on the date of buyback was 30 lakh. Buyback was 30% paid of capital. The tax liability on the company for the buyback share would be in the time of buyback company will pay 20% plus 12% plus 4%. 12% plus 20% plus 12% surcharge 4% education charge. बायबैक टैक्स हो जाएगा. बायबैक प्राइस माइनस इश्यू प्राइस. बायबैक प्राइस 40 इश्यू प्राइस 10 440 माइनस 10 से 30 into 30,000 9 lakh और 20% 1,80,000 180 lakh surcharge 12% तापर 4% एजुकेशन फीस 2,09,664. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का आंसर होला 2,09,664. 2,09,664. Question number 9 is Kumar engaged in manufacture leather product. It is set up in backward area eligible for subsidy 25% for a generator acquired by it from 12 lakh. It receives subsidy in 17 amount of depreciation the year applicable would be. जो सब्सिडी मिलता है तो एसेट से रिलेटेड होता है. एसेट से माइनस हो जाता है. नॉन नेट बिजनेस में टैक्सेबल हो जाता। वो एसेट रिलेटेड है, वो एसेट से माइनस हो जाएगा 12 लाख, 25% 9 लाख हो जाएगा, 20% सब्सिडी माइनस हो जाएगा 3 लाख, 9 लाख का जो एसेट पुट टू यूज लेस देन 180 days, depreciation would be 15% plant and machinery पे। 15% हाफ रेट हो जाएगा 7.5, 9 लाख का 7.5 आंसर हो जाएगा सी। Pinky resigned from the employment for GTM after serving 4 years. 8 months receive 1,40,000 economic provision amount to tax deductible source under section 94 would be सर्विस रेंडर नहीं किया 5 ईयर किया है तो एग्जेम्प्टेड हो जाता। वो सर्विस रेंडर लेस देन 5 ईयर देन यू डू टैक्सेबल। टीडी शुड डिडक्ट 194 है और 150,000 से ज़्यादा है, इसलिए देखो 50,000 कम होता तो डिडक्टिबल नहीं होता, वो 50,000 से ज़्यादा है इसलिए एप्लीकेबल। 10% ऑप्शन डी, 10 का ऑप्शन डी, 10 का ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, more engaged in manufacturing construction, appropriate sale occupation availing bank loan 40 lakh, interest on loan for their amount 2 lakh 60 he paid 31/17 amount interest eligible deduction in hand of Mr. Murray would be the sale occupied का maximum 2 lakh deductible, all the condition are satisfied। जो हाउस प्रॉपर्टी का जो सेल करो 999 प्लस कंस्ट्रक्शन विद इन 5 ईयर, ऑल कंडीशन आर सैटिस्फाइड देन 2 लाख विल बी अलाउड। 11 का आंसर सी। Mr. Samadhan employed government of transfer fund from the superannuation fund to national pension fund report to owners, इसलिए अगर 5 lakh were transfer from the approved fund to account shall be national pension trust, salary income excluding transfer amount for 9 lakh 40,000 company total income after considering transfer for superannuation fund to national pension fund is exempted, तब टोटल इनकम हो जाएगा 9 लाख 40,000 एग्जेम्प्टेड ट्रांसफर नो टैक्सेबल नहीं होगा, वो 9 लाख 40,000 विल टैक्सेबल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का आंसर ए, 12 का आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, सॉफ्टवेयर एंगेज इन बीपीओ बैंगलोर एक्वायर कंप्यूटर 20 lakhs 10 May 2016, she also acquired the computer software for 10 lakh July 2016, total amount of depreciation given in respect of this asset would be टोटल वैल्यू हो जाएगा 30 लाख, 30 लाख का 40% कंप्यूटर का 30%, 12 लाख का आंसर। 13 का आंसर 12 लाख आंसर भी, 13 का आंसर भी। बेटा मैन्युफैक्चर सबसे Vita Limited of Mumbai subsidiary unit USA Vita purchase goods from the unit to transfer so between them. Vita Limited Mumbai subsidiary of unit INC Vita Limited purchase goods transfer would arise from them। जो Vita Limited purchase goods करता है the higher bill expenses ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और प्रॉफिट डिक्रीज हो जाए, इसीलिए परचेस प्राइस इज मोर देन द अर्निंग प्राइस, ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा।